Alright guys, my clutch has 160 hours on it, so we're going to change it out. And I have a Rekluse torque drive, just clutch pack for the OEM clutch. I'm not changing out anything else. Frictions and steels. Alright, I just didn't want to drop any screws there. I took the pressure plate off, and then this is all obviously your fibers, and those are your steels. And they don't look too bad, but I'm going to pull them all out and then look at my basket, make sure it's not notched. This all looks pretty good. There's a little bit of notching, but very, very minimal. I'm going to check in with my dad, but I don't think that's going to be an issue. Alright guys, this is a part number. It's just a torque drive clutch pack for the OEM basket and everything. This is my OEM plates in there, along with the Rekluse steels. And I'm just soaking my frictions right now. I'm going to leave them soaking overnight. I got my bike apart, just sitting there for tonight, and then I'm going to work on it out in the morning. Change these out, change out my fluid, and also I need to back bleed the clutch and change my clutch cap rubber. There's a diaphragm in there that gets worn out, so it's just due for me to change mine. Want to get this bike 100% ready to ride tomorrow, so gonna get it looking good.